Another form of partition dataset was introduced several years ago, which overcomes some of the problems associated with regular PDSs. These are called Pdse, or Partition Dataset Extended. From the user perspective, they behave exactly as normal partition datasets, so there is no difference in how they are handled. However, internally they have a different structure which eliminates the need to specify directory blocks when they are built. Similarly, they automatically reclaim space, so there is no need to compress these datasets. Not all partition datasets can be defined as PDSEs, but in general they represent a good choice for many common uses. Referring back again to this display from our Dataset List Utilities panel, when I hit the Enter key, I'm looking at the datasets that begin with gatom2.jcl. And in this case, when we look under the Dataset Organization column, we can see that they are all partition datasets, but the two of them are described with a POE, indicating that they are partition datasets extended. When I look at the characteristics that are associated with them, I can type in an S next to the dataset name, and in this case here we can see that the characteristic that's associated with the dataset name type is described as a library. And under the current utilization, we can see that the utilization is described in the number of pages that are resolved for this particular dataset. When I look at a regular partition dataset, in this case you can see that the dataset name type is a PDS, and in this case the current utilization is described in terms of the units of allocation, cylinders in this instance. These are the two primary definition differences that we will see when we are trying to compare partition datasets with partition datasets extended.